Amidst the ongoing multifaceted crisis, an alarming report on substance abuse is causing disturbance in the state, which has a population of 28.56 lakhs as per 2011 census report. According to Magnitude of Substance Use in India 2019 report published by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Manipur is reported to top the chart in various categories of substance abuse. As per the report, 22.4% of the populations in Manipur are reportedly engaging in alcohol consumptions, making the state the 8th highest in the country in this category. In terms of ganja use prevalence, approximately 2.8% of the populations are engaging in use of ganja, featuring at the 10th position nationwide. With regard to use of opioids including opium and heroin, the state is 5th highest in the country, with 4% of the population engaging in a substance abuse under this category. Further, the report highlights 0.65% of the population in the age group of 10 to 17 years were found to be using inhalants like dendrite and nail polish remover, classifying the state as 8th highest in the country.